It's time for change. We no go stop. Obedience make we rise. A new Nigeria, it go shine bright.
Obi Na our choice, oh. Yeah. We go raise our voice, oh. Say yeah. No more suffer, no more pain. Time to make Nigeria great again.
From the north to the south, we the para. East to the west, we the gather. We no fit tire, we no go retire. Now better leader we require. Economy go strong, no more hungry belly. Now the youth go rise, no be empty shell. Transparency, integrity. Now waiting we need, no be tragedy.
Peter Obi go daily. Now progress we go see. Obi Na our choice, oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we go raise our voice, oh. No more suffer, no more pain. Time to make Nigeria great again.
It no be about tribe, na competence. It no be our dog, na evidence. See the record, check the plans. Obi they come, make we dance.
No be agado, no be lies. We dey see the vision for our eyes. We dey vote, we dey move for the future. We dey groove. If you want better life, make you stand up. If you want good roads, make you hands up. If you dey believe, make you loud down. Obi na the man we dey count on. Oh yeah.
A new Nigeria, it don't start. Hope they rise, no go fall apart. Obedient people make boom, make we shout. Peter Obi, 2020 cycle, no doubt.
Obi Na our choice, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. We go raise our voice, oh. Say yeah, yeah. No more suffer, no more pain. Time to make Nigeria great, yeah, too.
Boy.